This is going to be a noise test for the GeForce GTX 780 video card. I'm going to start with the lowest speed, which is, I believe, 25%. Yes. So this is 25%. This is lowest it could get. This is what it sounds like. Now, I'm going to pump it up to 35%. As you can see, like, not at all. Not a noise difference at all between 25 and 35. Now I'm going to pump it up to 50. Now you can notice a bit of a voice difference. Yeah, it's a very quiet card. Now I'm going to pump it up to 75. Now you'll definitely hear it. And finally to 100. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed. This is the windforce GTX 780 at maximum fan speed. Still very quiet. Of course, you know, if you have like the audio loud, I don't think this will really bother you. It runs uber ultra cool. With 100% fan speed, it doesn't go above 65 degrees. As for the temperatures right now, of course I have it overclocked, so I'm going to go ahead, set it to auto. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video.